Kiamwilu.
ile ya KY.
If you think you have seen the wonders of the world, then you are wrong. Visit Kiamwilu Hills in Machakos County, guys, and you will be amazed. This is where nature defies gravity. The only place in Kenya where nature defies gravity. Guys, have you visited Kiamwilu Hills ever before? Have you heard of Kiamwilu Hills? Well, if not, keep watching because, guys, you'll be amazed. I was amazed as well, and I thought, why not share with you this incredible moment with you. Guys, as a natural phenomenon, we know gravity attracts things towards the earth, right? Which means when they fall downwards or when they are let free, they definitely move towards the earth, right? But in this place, guys, magic is happening. Objects appear to be moving upwards the hill. Guys, imagine when you just place something on the ground, it will like climb the hill. Yes, even if you're driving and you put your car on neutral, it will move, like it will climb the hill. I know you guys, you might not believe me, but this is the reason as to why you should stick on this video and watch it till the end, guys. Can someone explain to me why that water isn't going downwards? Like that, guys, this place is hilly. This place is hilly, as you can see. And people were here, a lot of people were here recording, and I thought, guys, I came this place. This is actually the second time I came, so that I can show you. Look at how this landscape looks like. The topography of this place, you can definitely tell it's somehow hilly. Look at that bottle, guys. Yes, someone tell me, is this magic? Is that magic? Definitely, this is a reason as to why you should visit Kenya, why you should visit Machakos, because who doesn't want to see this for themselves with their own eyes? Guys, you've seen that bottle. Have you seen it? Okay, let's redo it. Have you seen it? No, of course, no. Let's redo it. Look at that bottle. Why isn't it moving downwards? Like, you can see, guys, the topography of this land. It's slanting. It should be going like the other direction, but it's climbing the hill. This is not magic. This is science. Guys, there's also a story time that I was told about this place, and I think people from Machakos or this area do strongly believe about it, and you'll definitely hear about it. So watch this video till the end because you don't want to miss on that amazing story time. And guys, subscribe to my channel, road to 2,000 subscribers, and give this video at least 200 likes. Is that much to ask? Only 200 likes, guys. Yeah, subscribe, keep subscribing to my channel. Let's get into this video. I'm talking a lot. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back, guys, to my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for clicking. I know most of you might find this video like not real. Like, me personally, at first I thought what I'm going to show you is not real. Yeah, there are a lot of doubting Thomases out here, me being among them. But on this video, guys, it's actually something real. It's actually something that I saw yesterday, and it was actually very late, so I decided, for the love I have for you guys, let me do it for you. So guys, we are going to explore something interesting. I don't know if you guys believe in magic. I know you're wondering why I'm carrying this water bottle. This is purposely because I want to carry my water with me for the experiment. In case you're wondering, stick along on this video so that you can know what we are about to explore. Yeah, guys. Oh my god, I started this introduction with a lot of rush. In case you're new, my name is Nicolene, and subscribe on this channel because you don't want to miss on nice and amazing adventures and nice episodes from me, of course, and nice story times from me. Click on that subscribe button, guys, and let's head there. We are going to Machakos County. So guys, my water is here with me. Of course, I never left the water because maybe I thought last time the water that they were using, sijui, maybe I was overthinking. So guys, we are going to this place. It's a very famous place in Machakos. Let me say in Machakos before I know the exact place. Where gravity works on the opposite direction. So let's see how it goes. First, keep subscribing. Road to 2,000 subscribers. So guys, we are going to use the water that I carried to see if it works. Yeah, in the beginning of this video, guys, you saw they were using their water. Let's try with my water that I brought from home. Let's see if it works. Remember also to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up, guys.
Chamwilu. Sasa Chamwilu na Madugu walikuwa wawili, twins, brothers. Mmoja alikuwa anaitwa Chalo na yule mwingine Mwilu. Chalo alikuwa anaishi pale ng'ambo, Mwilu alikuwa anaishi huko juu. Sasa wakakaa, unajua mwana
huku na huku.
Chalo alikuwa anaishi ile ng'ambo, Mwilu ile side ile kule juu. Sasa wakakaa, unajua ile umri wa kufika wa mwanaume kuoana. Sasa wakasema wataoa bibi mmoja, wakiwa wawili wakaagiri watamuoa. Sasa wakaenda Machakos, wakamtafuta wakapata bibi, jina lake alikuwa anaitwa Kalete. Sasa walipompata wakakuja bado wakaagiri watakuwa wanamshare. Akilala wiki moja huku ile nyingine huko kwa Mwilu. Sasa wakakuja mama akabarikiwa na kijana wa kiume. Sasa unajua bado mabishano yako, huyu anataka kumuita jina, huyu anataka kumuita jina. Mama akasema ni mimi nitamuita jina. Mama kumuita jina na mama alimuita jina kama. Sasa alipomuita kama bado wakakaa. Bado wakakuja bado wakabarikiwa na msichana. Huyo msichana akaitwa Mwende. Sasa alipoitwa Mwende, bado unajua ngombe bado injaisha. Bado kwa akiendelea tu na kubishania hapa nje. Huyu anasema watoto ni wake.
Ni true story.
Huyu anasema huyo mtoto ni wake, huyu anasema huyu ni wake. Mama akahamia tena huku. Alipohamia tena huku, bado yule Mwilu analeta shida. Bado tu akiendelea tu na kubishana. Siku moja wakimbishania hapo, kulinyesha mvua nyingi wakiwa hapa. Badala maji teremke hivi, maji kapanda hivi. Tu wazee wa zamani ndio wanasemanga hizo maspirit ndio tu zinakutanga tu kila kitu kiaka hapo inaendanga huko kwa Mungu. Hilo ndio akona power kuliko Chalo. Pia alikuwa anafanya mambo kitu kuliko Chalo. Mtoto akasemekana wote ni
So guys, it actually became so noisy and you couldn't hear like well what he was trying to explain to me, but he was giving me a story of a certain white man who came to this place and then he left his car and all of a sudden he found the car, it had climbed the hill. Yeah, that's actually what he was trying to tell me. There was a car that had stopped there and it was having a lot of noise, so I just decided to do a voiceover so that you guys maybe could get to know what he was trying to tell me. So that's it basically, and I don't know if you guys believe in this. Leave your comments and honest opinion, but scientists have proven that it is nature. Yeah, gravity does work in the opposite directions in some places, and this is it. Only in Kenya, guys. Visit Kenya, visit Kiamwilu, and see this for yourselves. Guys, isn't it amazing? I don't know. You just come and see it, guys, for yourselves. I really thank this guy for giving us this story time. Somehow, it sounds true from what I asked. Yeah.
Story nkuni hiyo.
That's nice. Wow, lakini hii story ni kweli?
Hiyo ya Chalo na Mwilu.
Wewe ulijua aje tunakaa like age like of the same age kama ulishinda na 5
Unajua bado unapata wazee wako wale wa zamani.
Walikuwa sio mnaambiwa so ni kitu tu inaendelea na generation hivyo.
Ni kitu bado inaendelea.
Lakini watu wengi hawajui. Mvua ikinyesha watu wanapitanga kwa hii barabara.
Maji na kwa inabidi hapa
kando.
So hapa ndio inapanda?
Inapitia kwa hiyo mtaro. Unaenda kuingilia kwa ile.
Wewe ngoja mvua ikianza
na ile nyingine inaenda kuingilia.
Sasa time ya mvua ni lini?
Siko karibu haianzi kufikisha hivi kingine.
Tuambie venye hii place inaitwa. Ngoja iende.
Chamwilu.
Chamwilu.
Ile ya KY.
KY? Sema Chamwilu.
Chamwilu.
Chamwilu. Wow. Sawa. Chamwilu. So that's it, guys, for this week's video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and like this video. See you guys on my next video.